arson investigation. As mandated by law, the Bureau of Fire Protection, the BFP, shall have the power to investigate all causes of fire necessary, find the problem complaint with the city of corporation, prosecutor was jurisdiction over the case. The task and responsibility of a fire arson investigator are not only limited to conducting exhaustive investigation and filing complaints with the prosecutors, but also includes the appearance and giving of testimonies before the court of law during the legal proceedings. So, the first paragraph, it says that ang dapat ang magkakantakan and the power to investigate an arson is the BFP. And the task and the responsibility of fire arson investigator, there na one conducting and complete investigation and finding what also includes the kung na hapon ay kailangan na appearance and giving testimonies. So, second paragraph, it is provided the role that is the prosecution was burden of proof and quantum evidence. So, may quantum evidence and complete kawan ka na mo evidence is proved beyond reasonable doubt. Once proven, the maximum highest penalty for commission of arson is life imprisonment under the present law since abolition of death penalty. So, the arson is a classic heinous crime. So, meron nga ikahindus ang amin yan kung bagan karumal-dumal na ginin mga krimen. It requires skillful, scientific, and systematic investigation procedures. Thus, the respective chief of the investigator and intelligence officers of the BFP are enjoined to closely supervise the conduct of investigation in order to obtain effective policeable result. So, meron na yung policeable, namin yan makatwirong na resulta. So, ay, and due to ang sumali, and chief of investigator and intelligence office of the BFP, magbuka na bagat mag-join to supervise the kuwan na nasulog na kuwan na sinikabalay gala sa dito. So these are the methods of fire investigation. Number one, preservation of the fire scene. So, and first step, consider the fire scene itself as an evidence. So, ito ang fire scene dapat ano naman ito, bagan amo ibig po sa evidence, dapat kailangan meron yung makuhan na mga kami. So, avoid contamination, loss, or unnecessary movement of physical evidence in the fire scene. So, bali, kailangan i-cordon para iwasan o prevent the contamination sa evidence. So, number 3, you can secure the fire scene from unauthorized intrusion. So, bali, naka-cordon naman na dapat, ang mga ka-cordon nila, mga kasulod, mga BFP o BFP officers, bawal sa mga unauthorized person. So, number 8, limit the access in the fire scene to those persons who only need to be there. So, amo na talaga pa-access pagsulod sa fire scene ng mga unauthorized person. So, number 2 is examination of fire scene. Examination should be thorough, dapat mas iyak. So, analyze the pattern, the fire patterns. Subalik, analyze niyo, magtigang kung anong kuwan, yapan, resulting bayanan, kuwan, nagtigang, or mga, kung naman niya pattern, so mga diretso lang ba, kung mga, kung hindi mapiyonigin, hindi naman diba. So, trace the fire spread, identify areas and point of origin, identify the fuels involved. Subalik, singkat mabalay, isunod kung anong igamit at kailangan natin i-identify ang fuel na involved by para masabda kung meron din para pag-preserve evidence. So establish the purpose directed is aiming and body of the crime by eliminating natural or accidental causes. The recording of fire scene. So take photographs of following. Letter A, exterior views, plumbing and gawas and fire scene. Tapos sa ito, identification of the property, signage, and house addresses number. Ito, outbuilding grounds, aerial photographs. Primary nila ng pagkakan na kitain, overview, tapos ko naman, kaya pa-swing ka na lang, yan na-egg book, para makita ko na naman kaluwagan tapos ang dami siya sunod. So, interior of the building, room by room, and logical sequence. So, ako na yung sulod doon ng balay. Pipicture mo, by room, may para ma-contribute, ma-preserve nga ako ng mga nasunog ng nakatulang mga buwan. The series of shots should start at the main door. So, kailangan natanaan siya ng kuha ng picture tapos na main door or entrance of the premises going inside. Series of photographs should also detect unburned areas of the building. So, kailangan picture din natin na ang mga yung mga kasunod ng mga buwan, mga part ng building. So, evidence prior to removal, enclosed and wide angle shots, use of title sheet that shows identifying information of evidence is mandatory. So, ang nangyayari, dapat ang nangyayari close shot and wide angle shot, kailangan ito kailangan. Para makakonvert ito na equal mandatory para pag-preserve evidence. Tapos, date, name, location, evidence, investigating, and other situations. Travel of or word claims, third party, for example, kanina lang yung kanina bigyan ba ng parang may niyatikan kung ba yung masibisar para kung ano yan. So, aging-aging, hindi kasi ako kung sa particular na lugar, kung pinamaya ay siyempre dumami, palagay niya mag-spread. Level is considered failed used to prevent confusion or loss of communication or photographic level. Number 4, what fire scene sketch. A sketch is made to assist the investigator in presenting a clear picture of the involved building to court. The detail may be general approximation of precise measurements, supplemented by photograph drawing of damaged patterns, good condition, documentation of fire scene can assist an investigator in analyzing a fire scene if previously unknown information becomes available. The sketch should be clearly shows the layout of the entire building. In commercial or residential building, the sketch should be located in standby, audible alertment, elevators, or any other pertinent factors involving the investigation of the fire. The sketch should be also show the position of evidence found in the fire scene. Physical evidence examination investigate uses scientific aids for criminal investigation. Physical evidence should be thoroughly documented before the removal. So, kailangan natin ang mga physical evidence dapat i-preserve natin yun bago tanggalan ng mga buwan. Evidence yung by parang subject para pag-preserve evidence. Establish the purpose directed is aiming and body of the crime by eliminating natural or accidental causes. The recording of fire scene. So, take photographs of following. Letter A, exterior views, plumbing and gawas and fire scene. Tapos sa ito, identification of the property, signage, and house addresses number. Photo outbuilding grounds aerial photographs. So ang mga nila ng pagkakan na kitain, overview, as ko naman kay pa sila na lang yan na ego pa makita ko na naman kaliwa kan ako sa ang dyan sunod. So interior of the building room by room and logical sequence. So ang mga sulod doon ang balay. Pipicture mo by room may para ma-convey din ma-preserve nga ako ng mga nasunog ng nakatulang mga bukat. The series of shots should start at the main door. So kailangan natalaan siya ng kuha ng picture kapag na main door or entrance of the premises going inside. Series of photographs should also detect unburned areas of the building. So kailangan picture din natin na ang mga yung mga kasunod ng mga part ng building. So evidence prior to removal, enclosed and wide angle shots, use of title sheet that shows identifying information of evidence is mandatory. So ang nangyayari dapat close shot and wide angle shot kailangan ito kailangan. Para makakonvert ito na kung mandatory para pag-preserve the evidence. Tapos ang date niya, location, evidence, investigating, and other situations. Travel of fire or word claims spread water, something kanina na municipality of bigyan ba ng fire, may niyatikang kung ba masigsan pa ako so aging-aging hindi kasi ako kung sa particular na lugar kung pinamaya ay siyempre dumami malagay niya mag-spread. Level is transfer fail used to prevent confusion or loss of communication of photographic level. Number 4, what fire scene sketch. A sketch is made to assist the investigator in presenting a clear picture of the involved building report. The detail may be general approximation of precise measurements, supplemented by photograph drawing of damage patterns, good condition, documentation of fire scene can assist an investigator in analyzing a fire scene if previously unknown information becomes available. The sketch should be clearly shows the layout of the entire building. In commercial or residential building, the sketch should be located in standby, audible alertment, elevators, or any other pertinent factors involving the investigation of the fire. The sketch should be also show the position of evidence found in the fire scene. Physical evidence examination investigate uses scientific aids for criminal investigation. Physical evidence should be thoroughly documented before the removal. So kailangan natin ang mga physical evidence dapat i-preserve natin yun bago tanggalan ng mga buwan. Evidence must be collected, identified, preserved, and transported to the laboratory in the best possible condition. Every effort should be made to prevent contamination of materials, secure the evidence. Containers for evidence may consist of thick, self-sealing plastic bags of various sizes, clean glasses, mason jars with rubber washer and screw caps, metal cans with clean pressure plastic lids, clean glass bottle with screw caps, and cardboard for plastic boxes of assorted sizes. So dapat ang mga evidence, amin yung mga kailangan niya kunahin niya yung butang. So dapat yung mga example sa mga clean glass bottle and screw caps, clean glass mason jar, sa amin kailangan ibutang ng mga buwan ng mga evidence. To maintain the security and integrity of physical evidence from the time of this initial recovery and collection of its subsequent examination of the state. Evidence containing that evidence should be protected and not so as not to smudge or destroy the plates. So, iniiwan, sumaling na naman, siya ang mancha ang buwan. Kailangan may pagkamalapit plates para kayo kung so dito nga arson mo po, tinuwi mo talaga ito ba, intentional mo ito pag buwan ito mga permit. Kung ito nga at mga perpetrator, kailangan makuha nga dito mga hindi naman kung paano ito natin plate and should be protected para makuha ano ito para makasaktan ito rin para mapalit yung ang tingin ko rin. A letter of instruction should be sent to the laboratory with the evidence describing the same and what the investigators expect the laboratory technician to recover via this laboratory process. So, number 6, sources of information. Information indicating and attended from adjuster frequently have access to the books, lecture, journal, inventories, etc. Of the business establishment involved in the file. Should the investigation indicate a probable fraud and adjuster can request and respect insurance company or companies with or payment during the course of the investigation. Interview with the owners of occupants. This interview is conducted to ascertain names of owners of occupants insurance related. So, ito mga kuwan magalang na anak, kailangan ang itong arson na source na nabalik. Kailangan interview with owners or occupants to para kaya kung mabuhagat natin na niya information paano na natagod mga predator ano ba insurance for the insurance agent or broker will provide the name of the company's policy numbers, terms of the insurance of expiration dates, mortgage, payable clause, name of the adjuster and whether or not the insurance was included in the consideration. So, I'm not to ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My report is all about preliminary report. It is not necessary to go into details in preparing
Company's policy numbers, terms of the insurance of expiration dates, mortgage, payable clause, name of the adjuster and whether or not the insurance was included in the consideration. So, I'm not to ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My report is all about preliminary report. It is not necessary to go into details in preparing preliminary report. This report should be submitted to the supervisor as soon as possible after the preliminary investigation. So, in preliminary report, bisan nila pa details ang report as long as nakagkandas na in preliminary investigation, it should be reported to the superior or supervisor as soon as possible. It should include the following. So, the following plan. The report should include the following. Owner, he or she, owner, his or her personal circumstances. Occupants, their personal circumstances, date and hours of fire, time fire started and fire out, location of fire, state, address, city or municipal province. Weather conditions, especially wind direction and complete and detailed descriptions of building, height, construction, type of roof, wiring, plumbing, heating device or air condition, fuel load, etc. If automobile or non-construction fire, describe and give the serial number, license number, make and model. Location of course, if the city give the street name and number of the city name, if rural give mailing address, distance and direction from the nearest road, intersection, lot or lot number. Kami na location of close, pali yung nag-aatik yung mga ngalan. Occupants, dwelling, name, age, race, relationship, person, address, telephone number, place of employment of multiple dwelling. Fire history. Kami lilista. Yung lilista yung mga tao kung kami lilista ngalan, edad, kung declaration, kung maganera, kung high lang na ako, tapos telephone number. Commercial institution, desk name, titles, and addressing of all officer and supervisory personnel. Commercial institution, links niya gabi, ngaran, and dito tapos address yet officer na supervise. Fire history, name and personal circumstances of person who discover or report the fire. Fire department and companies responded and officers in charge. So, in the fire history, ililis na gawin na nag-report na isang tapos in the fire department, ang makakaliwat, ma-respond, ang mga officer in charge. Detailed history of the fire as learned from PFP personnel in this paragraph, less than any unusual circumstances observed by firemen and extinguishing the fire. Insurance. So, ano kita insurance what? This name, address, telephone number of company, amount of insurance, date, and number of policy. And to whom it was issued. So, there is the level of address, telephone number, and company. Tapos amount it, insurance, tapos date. Agent's name, address, telephone number, parallel, and date number 1. Telephone number and name of company. So, this is the auditors, angker, and agent pariwa. Ini lagi ngaran, address, nanya nakakoi, telephone number and name of company. Describe or narrate indicator on words, the method, system, or manner by which the suspect entered the building, such as by using a key, forcing a window or door open, also of the suspect, actions before, during, and after the crime, set forth all other relevant information that may be obtained, outline for what sources this conclusion will draw. So, ang ito modus operandi. Forcing window or door open. Nagre-read yan. Nagre-read. Property. List and describe the articles that were moved from the Prices before the fact and if recovered, give the name and address of the holder. Also, list and describe any articles that the owner said were in the file and which you were not able to identify as being there. If the article were recovered, take note the time and date of recovery and where they were recovered. Secure a copy of the proof of loss from the adjusters. Give the names and personal circumstances of witnesses, their occupation, reliability, and availability. State what each can testify and, if possible, state whether witnesses is prejudiced.
Prejudice.
Prejudice for or against the subject includes a right report of all statements obtained from witnesses. Likely statements may be separated and attached to the report. Summarized statement in the report on refer to the complete statement attached. So, financial report. Obtain report of the financial status of owners, suspect or the accused. Bank statement,
Mortgage. Mortgage.
mortgage deeds, bank, see, credit report, information on sale of property information pertaining to deeds, titles, taxes, and etc. Evidence. What was found, the date, time, location, and who now has custody, names, titles, and addresses of persons securing evidence. Securing evidence. How marked date and time evidence was taken to the laboratory, received to be made a part of the report. Report from the laboratory should also be made a part of the report. Evidence should be secured until the case is disposed of. So, kung i-secure niya yung evidence, wag mo naman ma-disclose o photographs. Note the type of camera used to take the photos, the name, titles, and address of the person taking the photos, the name and address of the person or firm development of print, type of film used to list, the order in which the photographs were taken, and what each defect. Yan ang who was custody of the negatives. Fingerprint. It is desirable to include 3 copies of fingerprint and photos of suspect if available. So, fingerprint in Kumanian, 3 copies of fingerprint suspect. Suspect. Number 1 is in case no charges filed or will be filed until more important information is obtained. But the reporting officer has the name of strong suspect. Such names should be included here. Number 2, state the names, Alexis, and nickname Alma. Alexis. Alexis. Alias, and nickname of of an alias or nickname of the suspect, the present address, occupation, place of employment, habits, associate, family, history, and past criminal record and physical description. So, motive, ariran motive. The investigator should describe in own words the reason or reasons why the suspect committed the crime. The suspect may have related his motives for the commission of the crime of they may be deduced from the statements of witnesses.